What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel, man. It's a town car behind me, so you know this gonna make it a town car video. What we finna do today, man? What about to do today is about to install the decal. It's going back of the car, just like that. It's looking pretty clean. Just trying to switch things up. Other than that, man, there's a lot of stuff that I'm doing on this car that I wish I could have done to my charger. Other than that, man, if you are new to the channel, man, make sure you go like and share this video. Smash the subscribe button, man. A lot of great content coming for y'all. Different things I do different from anybody else that's on YouTube. So let's go. Get into the try to get some of this one. You guys want to line it up. It says power unleash. I'm kind of trying to line it up from the top. So I'm gonna kind of line it up where this little black marker is at, if y'all can see. That should be good. So what we're gonna do is spray this film. Matter of fact, let's start this. So we're gonna peel it off a little bit. We're gonna spray it. A little bit on there. Let's go. What I'm gonna do now, here. Spray it like that. I think normally when I do my tint film, I don't spray. But I'm just gonna start doing this from now on. This is what you need to do. Putting your vinyls on. It's a bad experience not spraying it. Sometimes it doesn't want to pick the adhesive up. Or you can peel it all off. There you go. Be careful also, kind of like go to where the edges stop. So I'm trying to show y'all. So if you can see where the edge is, like right here, don't try to go too far, then you're gonna scratch your paint. So just make sure you try to just go hit a little bit of your paint, to be honest, but to be careful as possible. Decals are really easy to install. People think that it's hard. It's the same way as you wrap your car, honestly. People who get these expensive wraps, $3,000 wraps, $2,000 wraps, no difference. It just takes patience. You really have to be patient with it. That's really all it is at the end of the day. So this is why I do all my stuff myself. This is why I made my channel, because a lot of people don't know how to do stuff themselves. So this is where I come into place at. It should be good, no bubbles or anything. So let's go ahead and peel that off. It's not perfectly centered, but it still looks pretty nice. There we go. Yes, sir. Goes all slow. Yes, sir. What we want to do is get our rag. Wipe off the excess water. Especially if you got a clean car. I see a couple of bubbles. Little small bubbles. Not really bubbles, just kind of just the water. Oh, that water, yeah, just the water.
Hey, hey, yeah. Levels, 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 yeah, hey, levels, 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 yeah, hey, levels, levels, okay, yeah, okay. The spiritual levels, no dancing with devils, no fellow with rebels. Some digging with shovels, they digging real deep. Some humble, they hearken, they listen, they meet. Some praise the Most High 7 days of the week. Some put in that work and go teach in the streets. Some just come to take up the air that we breathe. Some come just to take up the space that we need. They're spiritual levels, they come in all shapes and the sizes, there's several. We got the power to tread on the serpents, and we got the power to cast down these devils. This Bible my mission, these scripts ammunition to dodge the traditions, seditions and rebels. The real Jews are hidden, they all in the prisons. They cursed in the field and they cursed in the ghettos. Some have faith, they trust and believe. Some mentally sick in the brain out of sneeze. Some hiding secret sins that you cannot see. Some seek out the book of the law and they read. You claiming the truth, you ain't bearing no fruit, you a liar. You got weeds in your roots coming down to the wire. Who really ready for Christ in that fire? Praise the Most High and the Son of Messiah. The spiritual levels, they come in all shapes and the sizes, there's several. We got the power to tread on the serpents, and we
Make it a wrap for the video, man. Let me know y'all think down in the comment section below, man. Did y'all like it? Did y'all not like it, man? Once again, y'all comments, let me know if I'm doing good or bad. Let me know in the comment section for real, man. Make sure you smash the subscribe button. Also hit the notification bell so you can be notified.
Laughing to the bank now. We getting bags, no more water, I just sink down.